Hello and welcome. It's Miss Hake and we are here with literacy and we're talking all about the fairy tale Jack and the Beanstalk. Can you remember some characters in that story? So let's keep track. Who do we have in the story? Did you say Jack? Mm-hmm. And there's a beanstalk. Mm-hmm. And there's a cow. Yeah. A giant, fee, fi, fo, fum. There's a magic harp. What did he plant in the ground? The magic beans, the golden goose, and the golden egg. There's other characters in the story as well. There's Jack's mom, and then there's the giant's wife. So I have some characters here that you can turn into puppets. You can use popsicle sticks. You can color the golden egg golden, cut out along the square and use popsicle sticks. Or you can make these characters looking at the pictures. And then you can practice acting out the fairy tale, Jack and the Beanstalk. Wouldn't that be neat if you got all of your characters ready to go and you told the story yourself to your friends and your family? I wonder if you could. All right, don't forget to make the sound effects of the giant and the noise he makes and what he says. All right, have a very good time making puppets. You can glue these on bags, brown paper bags. You can glue them on, or you can make a puppet, or you could put popsicle sticks and you can act out the story. So have a good time, and I will see you soon for some more literacy. Okay, bye.